This is perfect. The sun's going away from us now. Okay? And the moon, let's just get that focus in here. There we go. Really have a difficult time focusing in on the moon. There it is. Now, let me ask you a question. Let's just say, let's give a hypothetical scenario here and say we do live on a spinning wet ball and we're looking at the moon's reflection from the sun, correct? Okay? Which is absolute absurdity and an impossible ball, of course. But what I noticed during the daytime when the sun is out, which it still is, I don't want to, put my zoom in on that. That wouldn't be a good idea. That sun during the daytime, you could actually see through it. All right, it's starting to get its color now. You can still, it looks like you can still see through it with the fake craters up there. But why isn't it still faded out a little bit, like you see in the middle of the day? Surely the sun is still there. Why doesn't it do that? That is my question. Okay. Unfortunately, these are not tangible objects. That is certainly not a tangible object because it emits cold. All right. The way you could do a simple thing is just take one of those heat guns, put it on the ground in the shade, check the temperature. Outside of the shade, it'll be a 10-degree difference. And it's the same for the sun too, which is leaving us now. Say goodbye to it. It'll be up tomorrow morning, right on the ticker. And of course, as you see, it's all faded out over there too with the chemtrails. And nice and blue here. Oh, there they go. They're starting to ramp it up during the nighttime. But you have to understand, I believe that these trails feed off of the energy off of the moon when it's a full moon. Now this is, it's about, I'd say, 65% right now. All right. It feeds off the energy off of that, and it makes it morph. All right. Now just watch while this plane just dumps an enormous amount of God knows what on us. A lot of speculations of exactly what it is. Ammonia, aluminum, who knows. For now, let's just concentrate on what I was talking about. Oh man, if I wish I had my 1,000 right now, I could get the call letters on that and put that on my shit list, the little motherfucker. Anyway. Oh, there we go, another one. They're beautiful now. Oh, this time of day, they love them. They love it. They just love it. Chemtrailing us to death. Beautiful. Now, this gives you a perspective of exactly what goes on. Now, this happens all the time. Not every day, of course. But my point is, you can see this firsthand anytime. If you just bothered to go outside and look, that is not a tangible object. It's not. It's possibly plasma. It's possibly something, a reflection, possibly. I don't know, but it's not. You can't land on it. You can't do anything with it. The closer you get to it, the further away it'll get from you, just like you're chasing a rainbow, and then finally, bam, you'll hit the dome or whatever else is up there. And that's it. This time of day is just beautiful. Think about it. Some people have this view all the time. Unfortunately, I don't with the sun. I do in the morning with the sun, but not in the evening when it goes away from us. Behind the disgusting chemtrails that they always cover, because they don't want us to know. Hold on one second. All right. Unfortunately, it's not going to go down for another 30 minutes. I'm not going to be here in 30 minutes. I'm going to be somewhere else. This is a perfect vantage point, though, of watching this whole thing. Because most people, they don't look anymore. They don't look up. I'm going to quote Robin Williams. politicians, I saw this on YouTube the other day. I thought it was perfect. Politicians should actually wear NASCAR jackets to show who owns them. So basically, in effect, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this politician and look at his NASCAR jacket. Oh, I see Google on there. Oh, is that CNN? Ah, there you go. Oh, there's Twitter. Yes, MSNBC. Oh, they're beautiful, beautiful. There you go. And then you get and then who else is in there? You got all the major news networks. These are the fake politicians that are out there. You know who owns Trump? Zero. Zero, my friends. That's why everybody hates him. They want to see this country go to shit. And that's what's happening to it. Oh, isn't that beautiful though? Look at it. Look at it. Still having trouble focusing in on there. Actually, you can see it pretty good with this phone. I'm shocked. Let's see if we can get... let's see. Just doing some experiments with the phone. This is a Note 10, I believe. So you're telling me that's 238,000 miles away, and I'm able to, with a conventional smartphone, actually see a 40-mile diameter crater. That's funny, guys. Real funny. How stupid I was. How stupid I was. Unfucking believable. How could anybody believe in this shit anymore? Anyway, have a good night, guys.